Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Whichever your stand is, depends on the victory and the respect you own. So, those ladies that are always demanding for respect shall own it. And those ladies who are demanding for serious men, and those men who are demanding for serious ladies, wait for it and understand me. To me, are the victory I own for life. A serious man cannot let you roam around a car. A serious man laughs a little. A serious man will not let her woman meander around. Those that you say are serious men are not serious men. Those are jokers. And they are like business men before life. About ladies who deserve serious men, that's all it is. About men who deserves serious ladies. About ladies, but a serious man is not a joke. A serious man cannot let you roam around because he knows for tomorrow only God knows. And those advices are made by human. Human will always be human. And human will not help you when you need help. So far, other human will help you, those that you don't know. So if you think the one you know is the one that will help you, no, only God will make others help you. But where you are putting your head is not your mind should be on focus. No. A serious man will not let you, whether you comment what, but I'm a man, and a man who has wisdom. It's just because people doesn't know me, but God knows me than anyone you think you know knows me. Those people you think might be the ruling that rules you. Remember, you are wrong. It might be you, the king, to rule them. But because you don't understand yourself, you understand them. That understanding yourself before Almighty Father, because He knows each and every human. Others are ruling your kingdom, which you yourself you are supposed to rule. And because of disrespect from your families and the leadership, they tend to obey. They are not obeying God. That is where misleading came from. And you will never lead. You will be led to death because you can't understand who you are. Your parents were misled, misguided, left each other. You running up and down, listening to those things you should not listen. Respect your parents. And if you don't respect your right, those people you respect will never help you. As per 10 commandment laws, those things are only 10. Respect your parents. So if your mother roamed around with you, you know your parents that you respected, and that's where misleading came from. Means your father was serious and your mother was never serious. That's why they interpreted some laws to guide and rule fools, for they too to be called fools. Yet the kingdom was to be for them. Now they are behind those that were not to be. Were not to be.